Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce. A few months ago, I made that video about how you can blur the background on your photos. This video right here. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove this blurriness from your pictures once that it's already on portrait mode. Okay, it's super easy and super quick. So let's get started. What you're gonna do is to go to your phone and open your Photos app. And you need to make sure that the photo that you took is in portrait mode, okay? So this is a photo I just took for the sake of this video. And you're gonna tap on Edit. And here you can see that there is a portrait word at the top of the screen. And you can actually add or remove the depth of the focus that you have here, the blurriness, and here is not blurred, and here you can add more blurriness to your photo, okay? So if you want to remove this effect at once, you just tap on this portrait word and it will remove it automatically. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.